This Next.js app is live on Hostinger VPS, deployed, configured, and running. I didn't write a single config file. I gave Claude Code one prompt and it did everything. Let me show you how. Deploying a Next.js app to a VPS is painful. Install Node, configure nginx, set up reverse proxy, create systemd services, deal with permissions, and if something breaks, you debug for hours. What if you could just tell AI to do it all for you? I have fresh Hostinger VPS Ubuntu, nothing installed yet. And I have Claude Code on my Mac. That's all we need. I will give Claude Code the server IP and let it handle everything. But before that, we have to add the public SSH key of my computer. So for that, on the VPS dashboard, click on Manage SSH key and we need to add the SSH key. Click on that button. On the right side, you will find all of the instruction how you can generate a new key pair if needed, and then how you can get the public key. So I will just copy that. Let's generate the key. Hit enter in the cd.ssh ls. These two files are generated. This is the private key and this is the public key. So I will use the command cat id.pub. So this is the key. Just copy that and paste it here. Save it. That's it. Now in our Claude Code, I just pasted this prompt. Now we need to copy the IP address of our server. Copy this IP address and let's add it here. So I am asking it to connect to my server at this IP address as a root through SSH, install Node.js, create a new Next.js app at this path, configure nginx as a reverse proxy to port 3000, set up a systemd service so the app auto restarts and make the site live on port 80. By the way, you don't really need to be that much specific. You can just tell it in simple terms that you just need a new Next.js app. So it will figure out everything by itself. So let's submit that. So now it is asking my permission to SSH in, install Node.js 20 and nginx. So I'm going to give it permission that don't ask me again, just keep doing that. So you see that it has entered in our server. By the way, while it is happening, I will quickly show you the IP address. At the moment on this IP address, nothing is visible. You see that earlier nginx was also not working, but it recently installed the nginx. That's why now nginx is working and showing there. But very soon it will install the Next.js as well. Once it is installed, then you will be able to see the Next.js landing page here as well. So you see that it has connected to the server. It is updating the packages, installing Node.js. It has configured the nginx as well. Now, if you look at this, it has created the directory. It has created the Next.js application and app is created. Now it is building the application. You see here, npm run build command is running. It is setting up the nginx as a reverse proxy, creating the systemd service, starting everything up. So it's done. Now let me check if it is really working. So go back to the browser. Let's reload it. Here we are. Application is live. Just one prompt, full Next.js deployment, nginx, systemd, everything done by AI. But what if I want to change something? That is also possible. So let's try that really quick. Here in the Claude Code, I'm asking it to change the heading on my site to deployed by AI and make it live. Make sure that heading is in big size and submit. Alright, you see that the changes were made already and now it is rebuilding the application and restarting the Next.js service. Alright, it's done again. Code changed, app built, redeployed with just 2 sentences. So let's quickly reload that. That's great. It has deleted everything, just added my heading. This setup would normally take 30 minutes of manual work. SSH, config files, trial, and error. Claude Code did it in just one prompt. And this isn't limited to Next.js. You can deploy React, Angular, Python apps, or anything. Just describe what you want and let the AI handle the server. Next.js on Hostinger VPS deployed with one single AI prompt. Link to the Hostinger is in the description below if you want to try it. If you want to see me deploy a full stack app with a database, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.